In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download LISS4 imagery from Bhoonidhi website. So in your search bar, type in Bhoonidhi. You can see the first link, bhoonidhi.nrsegov.in. I'll be sharing the link in the description. Please do check it out. Now click on this first link and you can find here Bhoonidhi browse and order. Select it and once again select Bhoonidhi browse and order visit option. So LISS4 is freely available imagery at a resolution of 5.8 meters and it has red, green and NIR bands. So the first step is we need to choose our location. So there are multiple ways to do so. For example, you can use a location. You can type in a place name and you can use that location to get the imagery. Second is you can draw polygon, or you have to use the lat long extent to draw a box. Otherwise, you can, if you have a shapefile, you can upload the shapefile. User shapefile you can upload using user shapefile or existing. They have given some existing shapefile which is also available. You can check it out. If you have KML and KMZ file, you can also use it for uploading it. So in this case, I'm going to use locations. I'm going to type in the place name. So I am looking at Kolkata, West Bengal. So you can find the location by using this button. It will be automatically going to the location. If you click on over here, you can increase the box size. For example, currently it is in 10 kilometers. You can increase it by 20 kilometers and once again click on this place mark icon. The extent will increase. So if you don't have any if you use the search option and you are not getting any location name, you can go with degree, minutes and seconds. You can use degree, minutes and seconds or decimal degrees. You can copy it and paste it from Google Maps, the lat long values, and you can search. So coming down to the next is the date range. So we need to specify the date range. So I'm going to search it from the year 2024 Jan month and up to now. Okay. So in the filters, next is the filters. So we are interested in open data, that is freely available image. So I'm going to choose open data and the resolution is 5 meter to 25 meters. After choosing it, image spectrum is optical. We are using optical imagery. Satellite is Resourcesat 2 and come down. You can see the sensor type. We are interested in LISS4 imagery. That is the sensor. LISS4 is the sensor. Now in the products, you can see level 2 geo-referenced terrain, and finally themes. You can choose the themes accordingly. In this case, I am just choosing land use and land cover. It can be anything. Now finally click on the open data direct download and once again click on Resourcesat 2 LISS4 and now hit the button submit. So now you can see the image has been come up for your area of interest. So this is the chosen area of the study. Okay. Now let us browse for the image. You can click on this image and visualize it. A separate tab will be opening up. As you can see here, it is having cloud coverage. So like this you can browse the image. Let me check this image. As you can see here, this seems to be a better one. You can check the extension of the image by clicking on this option, image extend, and you can see the image extend. So this is not covering the entire study area, so we just look on for some more images. Okay. So let me check this extent of the image and this image is covering up. And let me see how the image looks like. Let me publish on the map using this button. This is how the image looks. If you want a good look at the image, you can click on over here and you can see the image is in a good shape. Now let us download this. So click on this option, add to cart. So in order to download this image, go to the cart section. So hit on confirm. So you can see here the cart has been confirmed. If any other products are tagged as delayed downloads, the download icon is red. The same will be that can be downloaded within 2 to 24 hours. So some images might require some time to download. So if it is showing red, for us now it's showing green, so you can directly download it. So you can see here the download has been started. Let us wait for it and view it in the GIS platform. So the image has been successfully downloaded. Let's quickly extract the image, add data. So you can see here band 2 is green, band 3 is red, and band 4 is NAR. So let us add this data. Click on add. So this is how the image looks like after adding it. You can use the image analysis to composite the image. And change the band combination. So like this, you can see how the image is. So thanks for watching. If you have any other doubts on this, you can ask me in the comment section. Goodbye, and please do subscribe, man. Thank you.